You need to make sure that your application runs on an IP, a common IP than that of a local host, which is local host here. This is localhost 127.0.0.1 is a localhost. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you people how to achieve this running of your particular Django server in some other IP. Okay, for that, let us go to command prompt and type this command IP config. It will give you a lot of IP. What you can do, you can choose this IP. This is my Wi-Fi IP. Of course, that will change every day. That's okay. At least it is a static IP, then not the local host. Okay. So I connected this. So now I have to go to the settings file. I repeat, once you're done with that particular IP selection, go to the settings. You will see a line called allow.host, There you can keep this one. So what basically I'm telling, now I'm telling my system to run this Django only on this IP. Okay. So let me break this. So now I have to run like this. Python space manage.py space run server space your IP followed by 8009, your own port. There you see. Now if you run the localhost, it won't be working. Site cannot be reached. Why? Because you already taken out your localhost. Now the system is running with your system IP. So now let us give the IP here and port as 809. There you see. Everything remains the same. There you see. That's the beauty. So this is where you can do the changes to the IP. And if you want to keep your local host, then give that also. So now what does it mean? If you run if you run your application directly, Python space manager.py space run server, it will run on your local IP. And if you want to your application to be run on the specific IP like this 192, you have to specify that externally as I did. Now it is running on the local IP. So this is what the basic way of executing the Django application. We've seen how to create a Django, what is the importance of the migrate command does whenever you create an application for the very first time, how to set the user ID password for the admin that is created by default in Django, and how to change your IP and port for running of your application. Okay. Next, what we're gonna see is that like admin API, how do we create our own API as part of this networks application?